Hello, welcome to the installation video for the Ram Cummins 6.7 liter 2013-18. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. Your kit should include a module, harness, selector switch, 2 zip ties, an instruction booklet, and a sticker. This installation should take approximately 10 to 25 minutes and may require a flathead screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Let's take a look at your harness. You should see 1 small white connector, 1 small black connector, 4 large connectors, and 2 ring terminals. When looking at the 4 large connectors, you should see a lead that says engine fan. This is where we will begin. The injector harness plugs are located on the driver's side of the valve cover. The engine fan plug refers to the injector plug that's located closer to the engine fan or the front of the vehicle. It looks like this. It may require a flathead screwdriver to depress the locking tab on the factory connector, although it's normally easy to do this by hand. Now disconnect the factory harness from the injector plug, replace it with the module's harness, and then connect the 2 remaining connectors. Now that you understand the process, we just have to repeat these same steps with the flywheel portion of the module's harness. Flywheel refers to the injector plug that's located closer to the flywheel, or closer to the rear of the vehicle. It is located directly behind the first injector plug, which may be hard to locate. The best way to access this plug is to reach your arm around here. Repeat the same process as the first plug. The hard part is now over. The next step is the battery terminals, but let's arrange your harness in a way that keeps it from being damaged or tangled up. Next, you need an adjustable wrench to remove the nut off the battery terminals. The red wire connects to the positive terminal, and the black wire connects to the negative terminal. It is important that you make sure you do not connect the wires backwards. This will damage the module. Now it's time to plug in your module and the selector switch. You can choose to run your selector switch through the firewall and into your cab, or you can just tie it up under the hood. There are zip ties included in your kit to secure your module in place. It's recommended to make sure your module is protected from heat and moving parts and avoid direct contact with water. This concludes the installation for the Dodge Ram Cummins 6.7 liter 2013-18. Thank you for choosing Dr. Performance. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call us at this number or email us at this email. Thank you.